Hey there, YouTube friends. We have a nice day here, so I'm going to do the small job of repairing this loose brick that came off the steps. I'm going to get to doing that right now, and I'm just going to use this Sakrete mortar mix type S that I got from Lowe's for about $7. And I'm going to start off by removing the old mortar, and I picked up this cold chisel from Harbor Freight for about $5. So I'm just going to knock out the old mortar and clean it up a bit. Comes out nice and easy. Okay, I got it pretty clean, so now I'm just going to mix up the mortar and we'll set the brick. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour the mix in a bucket here, and then we'll add water. I don't need a lot. Just like that. So you can see how much I have in there. And I'm just going to eyeball it, pour some water in. We kind of want it like peanut butter. I probably used too much water, so let me just pour a little out there. And we'll just mix it up. Alright, so I have to mix it the way I want it. Just lay some out on that bottom brick. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to butter the other side of the brick. Slap some on there. This side too, if I can. Just place it on there like this. I'm going to tap with a rubber mallet. And I'm just going to try to fill the sides over here. Pack it in. I don't have the proper tool. I'm just using what I got. Nothing wrong with that. Use my finger if I have to. Now, wherever I got sloppy on the brick, I'll just hit it with a brush. Clean it up a little bit. Okay, there's a final look at the repair job. Only took about 10 or 15 minutes. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and come back often. We always got DIY stuff coming up. Catch you next time. See ya.